Hi, kindergarten math students. You know how we've been working so hard on writing our numbers and counting? Well, we are going to practice learning about one less. We did that a couple of weeks ago. It's time to review and see how much we remember. So you have your number line, whiteboard, marker, eraser, blocks. If you don't have one of those things, pause and go get what you need. We are waiting. Okay, so in real life, you do need to know about one less. I'm thinking about me. If one of you is sick, then there'll be one less assignment on Seesaw, and I'll remember, oh yeah, that person is sick. That's why there's one less. They'll do it tomorrow. Or if I invite people to come to sit in my backyard and have snacks, and someone says, I invited 4 people, and one person says, oh, I really can't come. I already promised I would do something with my other friend. I'm going to go on a bike ride. I say, oh, fine. And then I'm getting the snacks out, and I think about 4 people. Oh, yeah, I invited 4, but there's one less, so there's only 3 people that I need a snack for and a drink. Or maybe with you, if your whole family was going to go somewhere, you needed to take the car. But if one less person was coming, maybe you could take your pickup, your truck. So it is good to know about one less. And one less really means take away 1. So let's do easy peasy numbers. Start with 5. Hold up your 5 fingers. 1 less means you take away 1. 5. Take away 1 is 4. So you have 5. 1 less is, only the fingers standing up. Let's do both hands. How many fingers do you have showing now? 5 and 5 is, I heard you say 10. 10. What is 1 less? 10, 1 less. Ooh, it's hard for me to put a pinky down. It doesn't want to do that. Oh, 5. Maybe you have to count to figure out what 1 less is. Or maybe you just know by looking. We could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or you could say, I know I have 5 on this hand, and then I'll just count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. Or you can use a number line. Number lines are great for 1 less. And the more practice you get, pretty soon you'll have a number line in your head. You can, because you don't always carry a number line in your back pocket, right? Silly. So if you practice this a lot, pretty soon you will be able to see the numbers in your head, and you can do 1 less without having a number line. But kids are 5 and 6. I would not expect you to be able to do that. So we like to have number lines. We'll use the cubes in a minute. Let's just put them aside. So let's show how it works on a number line. And it's laminated, so it has plastic, and you can use your marker. So let's say we say 8 people were coming to my house, but then one person called me and said they got sick. So you go backwards. You take away. When you take away, it's like going backwards in counting. And how many people are coming now? What's that number again across the sky, down from heaven? 7. So you would write 7 on your board. Now that was just practice, so we're going to erase it. And then let's do a couple more so you know how to do it before we actually do the game. So let's say 4 people were coming, and you were going to have a bike ride, but none of them had bikes, so you had to make sure you had 4 bikes. That included you made 4 bikes. And then all of a sudden, oh my goodness, somebody texted and said, oh, your friend just broke their arm. They can't come and ride bike with you after all. So you go, I needed 4 bikes, but now take away 1, go backwards 1, take away. Now I only need how many bikes? 3. So you would write down 3. I should have probably kept this 7 there because that's how we'll do it in a minute. Okay. I'm just showing you. You don't really need to do that. I mean, yeah, practice. Sorry. Yes. Let's do one more with the number line. Let's say there were 9. 9 what? 9, you had 9 cousins. And you were going to have a birthday, but you couldn't really have all 9 people over because of sickness and colds. And so you were just going to have balloons and drive to where they live and just open the window and just kind of hand them the string for the balloon. So you needed 9 balloons. And then one person said, oh, we have to go to Albuquerque to a doctor's appointment. We can't come. So you go, we needed 9 balloons. Take away 1 means backwards. Now we need 8 balloons. 8 balloons. I think you might have figured this out. Let's erase it because I want to show you another way to do it. And then you get to decide what helps you learn 1 less the best and what helps you get it into your brain. Does it help you to see the numbers? Does it help you to see cubes? So if I would say 5, then you would need 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I would say, what is 1 less than 5? Remember, 1 less is you take 1 away. And then how many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would write down the answer 4. Okay. Then I would say a new number. So get ready. Let's say I would say 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put all the rest away. 7. 1 less. 1 less means take away. Now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. So you can do, now I'm going to have you erase and you decide what helps you the most, number line or blocks. If you're not sure, I guess you could do a few with number line and a few with the blocks, and then maybe you would know. Okay, so right now you could start having someone video you to do these few problems, or you could wait till the end and just take a picture of your answers that are on your whiteboard. Okay, so this time I'm not going to give you the answers. I want to see if you can figure it out. All right. So the first one is, let's say you had 4 and 1 less. Figure it out on your number line or your blocks, and then write the answer on your board. Okay. Next one, let's say you have 8 and 1 less. Use your number line or your blocks and write the answer. Let's say you had 6. What is 1 less than 6? Figure it out. Write your answer. Ooh, this one's kind of fun. Let's say 1. 1. What is 1 less than 1? Write your answer. Ooh, let's go the other direction. Let's do 10. What is 1 less than 10? Write your answer. And the very last one takes a little longer with blocks, doesn't it? It might help you, but it does take a little bit longer to make the blocks and take it away. So I'm waiting. That's super great. You can always pause. Last one. 5. Start with 5. And then what is 1 less than 5? And write that answer. So if you did not video yourself doing this, that's totally fine. Just take a picture of your whiteboard. Don't erase it. Take a picture so I can see your answers if you understood. All right. Thank you for learning more about 1 less. It's important math skill. Fly away, butterfly.